kí gbogbo wa nílé lóko lẹ́yìn òdì, mo kí wa pé akúbójú ọjọ́ ṣeré, mo kẹ́ ìyá, mo kẹ́yìn bàbá, mo kẹ́ ẹ̀gbọ́n, mo kẹ́ àbúrò. Èmi ọmọ yín olólùfẹ́ yín, ayé ọpẹ́ yọ ṣe yọ lọ́dọ̀ títí yín náà ní agbára lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run. Ayé ọpẹ́ máa yọ fún wa, lórí ọmọ, lórí ìdáwọ́lé wa. Òun la ayé ọpẹ́ ló máa fi máa yọ fún wa. Ewo la mú wá fún wa lọ́jọ́ títí òní wípé kémi àti yín kájọ ṣe àgbéyẹ̀wò lóní pápápá gẹ́gẹ́ bí a ṣe máa ṣe. Yorùbá ni mí, Yorùbá ni ìran mi. Fún ẹ̀yin tí ẹ bá mọ̀, fún ẹ̀yin tó bá jẹ́ ní ìgbà àkọ́kọ́ tẹ́ ẹ ṣe máa darapọ̀ mọ́ wa lórí ìkànnì aláyọ̀ yìí. Níbi tí a ti ń gbọ́ oríṣiríṣi ètò yẹ̀wò wípé èwo ló jẹ wá lógún, èwo ló dùn wá ń bẹ̀, wípé báwo la fẹ́ bọ́ nínú oko ẹrú, oko ẹrú ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kẹlò, oko ẹrú ọkọ̀, oko ẹrú ọpọlọ. Mi ò ní gbà wá lákòókò lọ́jọ́ títí òní torí wípé kí ni àwọn tí wọ́n ti ẹ̀ ń fi àwọn tó ń fẹnu kùn wá tàbí wọ́n ń fẹnu kùn wá wípé kí ló ń ṣe kíní kan, you know, all those stuff. Ló bá tán àti fẹ́ parí ìjà báyìí fún àwọn tó jẹ́ wípé wọ́n ń wò wípé ẹ jẹ́ ká tiẹ̀ ṣe lọ, ẹ jẹ́ ká ṣe lọ fún restructuring, ẹ jẹ́ ká lọ fún this and that, bla bla bla. Àwa ti panupọ̀ báyìí, bẹ́ẹ̀ mi ò jẹ́ panupọ̀, bóyá ojú tèmi fi wò ẹ̀yin lè má rí bẹ́ẹ̀, ojú tèmi máa fi wò ọ̀tẹ́yìn fi wò èmi lè má rí bẹ́ẹ̀, bọ́ èmi mo ti lẹ́yìn tèmi fẹ́ yàn sílẹ̀ fún 2027. Mo ní ká tètè bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní máa gbé yẹ̀wò bóyá bẹ́ẹ̀ ni bóyá bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́, ojú wo lẹ́yìn náà fi wò lọ́dọ̀ títí yín. Tó bá lè jẹ́ pé ẹ̀yin náà lẹ́lòmíì tẹ́ fẹ́ fà kalẹ̀ ni kò yé yín sìn. Iye ẹ̀ ń ṣe wípé ẹ má jẹ́ ká bẹ̀rẹ̀ ní títẹ̀ máa ní èyí, èwo ni Dr. Sabi tún gbé, èwo náà tún ń sọ yìí o, èwo ni ìyá Ìjẹ̀bú yìí tún ń sọ, èwo tún ní pọ́n fààyàn kalẹ̀. Ìgbà gbogbo ibi tọ́rọ̀ yìí dẹ̀ wá, ibi tó ti wá tojú súyàn, ṣáà wá ní wo wípé pẹ̀lú gbogbo ẹ̀ ṣe ń lọ yìí, tá bá ro àròjinlẹ̀, tá bá ro dáadáa pẹ̀lú nǹkan tí àwọn bàbá wa yìí tán tún wá sọ, à ń pé gbọ́n ni a kì í gbé gọ̀, ẹni tó ń dẹ̀ ń gbéyàwó bọ̀ àbá kò kì í ga. Mo rò pé tí a bá jọ gbọ́ gbogbo nǹkan tí bàbá wa yìí tó ń sọ ń sìn, ẹ̀yin náà wá wò wípé ṣó tó bẹ́ẹ̀ tàbí kò tó bẹ́ẹ̀, wípé káwa náà ká fààyàn kalẹ̀ fún 2027 gẹ́gẹ́ bí wọ́n ṣe ń sọ tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ wá. Bóyá ẹ̀ la máa padà láti wá kan opinion ti tèmi ni o, mi ì sọ tẹlòmí o, mi ì sọ ti tẹlòmí o, tèmi ni. Now, èmi ò ní sọ̀rọ̀ púpọ̀ jù kó tó di pé mo máa lọ gbé àwọn fídíò tá fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ rí lórí wa. Tí fídíò yẹn wá play tán, èmi máa ẹ̀ ṣe wá sọ orúkọ ẹni tí mi fẹ́ fà kalẹ̀, máa ẹ̀ ṣe wá sọ orúkọ lágbájá báyìí o lèmi, mo dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé àwọn ti tèmi bí ò bá ju 70 gan, ó yẹ kán vote fún mi wípé kó tó di wípé Dr. Sabi fa èèyàn báyìí kalẹ̀, á jẹ́ pé ó ti rí gbogbo nǹkan tó wà nílẹ̀ yìí, ó ti rí tán. Nǹkan ti rí gbogbo ẹ̀ tán ni, bí ò dẹ̀ rí gbogbo ẹ̀ tán á rí díẹ̀ ń bẹ kó tó di pé wá conclude lé. Kòkòrò tó ń jẹ̀fọ́ ìdí ẹ̀fọ́ ló wà, kòkòrò tó ń jẹ̀fọ́ ìdí ẹ̀fọ́ ló wà. Now, ẹ má jẹ́ kí n gbà wá lákòókò gẹ́gẹ́ bá ṣe máa ń ṣe. Ẹ jẹ́ ká kọ́kọ́ lọ wo kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ní ìlú Yorùbá ọ̀ nílẹ̀ Nàìjíríà. Ìyẹn la máa kọ́kọ́ tì síwájú, tàbí èyí tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ sí àwọn ọmọ wa nínú Nàìjíríà tàbí lókè òkun. Ẹ jẹ́ ká kọ́kọ́ sáré fojú lóúnjẹ náà kó tó di wípé a wọnú down program lọ ní ọjọ́ títí òní. Ẹ má gbàgbé láti sáré ṣe cup of tea àti cup of coffee. Ẹ máa bá mi ká lọ. God bless you. Now,
my name is Vamile Omotosu.
Speak louder.
It all started April when I went to meet my dad in Saple. So my dad took me to HK.
Your daddy?
Yes.
Took you to where?
HK office.
To HK?
Yes, where Yahoo Boys is.
Your father took you to Yahoo Boys office?
Yes, my daddy always, if I follow him to work, he always tell me that my age mate also drive big cars, just do big things, build house. So the spirit of money entered me. So I was thinking about big things, going to do great things. So my dad told me that he's going to take me to one of his friends because he has many connection. So he took me to one boy.
Hold on first. The HK is a Yahoo office.
Yes.
Where they carry Yahoo boys to go and train.
Yes.
Isn't it?
Yes.
So your father took you there for training.
Yes.
That your mates are driving cars.
Yes.
All right. Yeah. The father said his mates. How old are you?
I'm just 17 years old.
His mates are driving cars. So let me take you to the Yahoo house. Go and learn so that you can drive. Oh yeah, go ahead.
So he took me there. He bought me a phone. So I just started gradually. I was going. So the first thing I learned, I just learned how to hack Facebook, Instagram, and word defense. So I was going. Then my phone broke down on the.
You're happy, right?
That I have.
You're happy.
Oh, very happy. I instigated him. I encouraged him. I worked for it.
You instigated him.
Oh, yes.
You told him go for it.
Oh, yes. They called me. Somebody called me, come, oh, there is trouble. And I was in Lagos. What is the trouble? They say anybody that talks to him about presidency he was quarreling with them. When this one talked about that, anybody that mentioned, he was quarreling with them. And then I met him. And he said, Baba, do you have money? If I had the kind of money that people have to be president, I will rank with Dangote.
Tinubu was saying that?
Yes, to me.
When was this?
Well, sometimes shortly before COVID. Shortly before EndSARS.
The same Tinubu everybody is saying is the owner of Lagos in terms
yes,
of money?
Yeah, that's what he said to me.
That he didn't have money?
Yes, that's what he said to me. And I said, look, we don't want you to be president because of you. You are unimportant in this matter. But that in Yoruba tradition, when you want to worship the deity, you take the fattest animal or the biggest yam to worship the deity. Yoruba wants to be president. And you are the one we have now. It is to sacrifice you so that we can have president, not for you to be anything.
What did he say?
He didn't know what to say. He was looking at me as if I was sick or something. He didn't say anything. He was just sober.
But he told us that becoming the president was his lifetime ambition.
Yes, I don't know. But at that time, people called me, many people, they called me, come, oh, there's trouble. And I went.
And he listened to you?
He listened. And where he asked questions, he said, okay, Baba, you now say I should run.
He calls you Baba?
Yes. He said, now you say I should run. What about this, my leg? You know, he's having a bad leg. You know, arthritis. I said, go and do it. There's sick time. Go and do it. You heal in 6 months. And then you start walking again. And you can run.
And he went to fix it.
And he went to fix it.
And COVID came.
Everything, many things came. EndSARS came, many things.
Some people thought EndSARS was the end of Tinubu.
EndSARS was aimed to be the end of Tinubu.
Did you say that?
Yes.
EndSARS
was designed to be the end of Tinubu.
Can you expatiate?
Those behind the EndSARS knew that's what they were doing.
Who were those behind it?
The what do you call them? The obedience.
The obedience?
The obedience were behind the EndSARS.
We're behind the EndSARS?
Yes. It was manufactured from America. And so brought in just to stop him.
But who are the obedience?
I said the obedience.
So who are the obedience? So who are the obedience?
The obedience came from America to do the EndSARS and later became a movement to form a party, and they couldn't form a party and join whichever party.
You know, I thought obedience was tied to Peter Obi.
Well, maybe Obi's party, I don't know. Maybe Obi's movement, I don't know. But the obedience were behind the EndSARS.
So it was well planned?
Planned, organized with a lot of money.
From America?
From America, yes.
How come Tinubu did not see this coming?
Well, not every ambush is detected.
Not every ambush is dictated. No. You see, I want to read from your book.
A lot about politics of America. You may know a lot about politics of Lagos, but I know he was very ignorant about the politics of Nigeria. But now that he's been president, I don't know how much he may have known.
You know, at some point, I saw you trying to call meeting of Yoruba political leaders when Oshibajo was becoming a subject matter. You know, was that a headache for you at that time?
No. I wanted everybody, anybody that wishes, to be free to contest election. But I don't want bitterness among the Yoruba contestants. I want them to talk on issues and not want to destroy the other, because I want one of them to emerge in the end. I want a Yoruba president.
You didn't try to...
The evening of the primary, some came to meet me. I'm going to step down today, sir.
They came to meet you?
Yes. Said they want to step down. I can't.
Was it not too late at that time?
Well, they stepped down. It wasn't too late.
Oshibajo did not step down?
No, he didn't step down.
How did Tinubu feel about that?
I didn't discuss it thereafter.
And you've not discussed it?
I didn't discuss it with Tinubu thereafter.
How do you feel about that?
Well, Oshibajo has every right to contest, and he did. I don't blame anybody for contesting elections. You want to contest, you contest.
Was Buhari against Tinubu?
He didn't tell me so, because I put many questions to him.
You asked Buhari?
Oh yeah, many questions.
What were those questions?
One, he wanted me to see that he was not the one who instigated Oshibajo to contest against Tinubu. And he made it clear. He said, in his own culture, when his mentor is interested in one position, you don't contest with him. But when Oshibajo came, he was surprised, and he only wished him well.
Tinubu was Oshibajo's mentor?
Oh, that's the way Buhari put it to me.
Tinubu nominated Oshibajo as vice president?
Well, I won't say so. I nominated him.
You nominated Oshibajo?
But after consulting with Tinubu.
Did Tinubu pick him and then you nominated him?
No, I nominated him after consulting with Tinubu.
And Chief Akonde, I want to be clear.
I say it the way it is in my book. I say Tinubu, come. In 2011, you were discussing with Buhari, trying to replace Bakari with somebody. Who was the person? He said Oshibajo. And I said, I'm going to recommend Oshibajo. And I recommended Oshibajo.
He accepted?
Who?
Tinubu accepted?
I didn't ask whether he accepted. I just asked.
You were the interim chairman of the party at the time?
Yes, I was.
And you recommended Oshibajo?
Yes.
So when Buhari told you that in his own tradition, when your mentor is interested, you step down.
Yeah.
Was he referring?
You don't show interest.
You don't show interest.
Yeah.
Was he referring to Oshibajo?
Yeah, because I thought Buhari instigated Oshibajo. Then I asked him.
So what was the second question you asked him?
The second question I asked him was, when I was national chairman, I composed the campaign council. I made Buhari the chairman. I made Tinubu the vice chairman. When Buhari wanted to contest the second term, I was no longer in the scene. Buhari was the chairman, Tinubu was co-chairman. I think you remember.
Yeah.
Then I asked him, you must have seen something good in him that made you were already a president. You wanted to do second term. You don't make him vice chairman like I made him when you were doing the first one. You made him a co-chairman. Now it's his turn.
Now,
it is Tinubu's turn.
Did you coin him Iloko?
No, I met Buhari alone.
All right.
And I said, look, when I was national chairman and you were to contest the first time, immediately after the primary, I composed the campaign council. I made you the chairman, having won the primary. And I made Tinubu vice chairman. And we went ahead. But when you were president, you wanted to contest the second term. You were the chairman of the campaign council, and you made Tinubu the co-chairman, not vice, which means there is merit in Tinubu. Otherwise, you won't promote him over and above vice chairmanship. I made him co-chairman. What can be wrong now?
At that point, you noticed something was going wrong.
Asked me what I said, raise money for him. And he said he would.
And he said he would?
Yes. And he called meetings, and assigned responsibilities for people to raise money.
So at that point, Buhari backed Tinubu?
I don't know. He did that anyway.
When the president raised money?
I don't know whether he raised money, but he called a meeting to which he called. I live yes. I live in Ila. I only went to Abuja each time I go, trying to solve problem. I go to Abuja and meet whoever I should meet and say what I want to say.
Chief Akonde, you are Tinubu's person.
Oh, yes, I am.
Did Buhari raise money for Tinubu?
I wouldn't know. Honestly, I didn't ask because things went in succession. After the leadership supported him, that's why he won.
No, before he won. At some point.
No, before primary.
Before primary.
Oh, there are many obstacles. Can
you tell us some of the obstacles?
Well, maybe some will wait for now. I will tell a story later. I'm writing another book.
You're still writing?
I'm writing. Yes, something like that. I told you on
just give me some hints.
Well, what I know is that there are many people who are invited by certain people close to the presidency, not by the president. Certain people close to the presidency.
People like?
Well, certain people close to the presidency. Calling people, go and take form, come and be president, come and be this, They were doing that. But not the president himself. Nobody told me the president himself told him. But yes.
Immediately president?
No, my goal originally was that a Yoruba man should be president. And my choice was Tinubu. Once Tinubu became the president, I became happy. I retired to Ela. Later now, one day he called me. And I said, where are you talking from? He said, from France. And I said, where are you? Baba, I have not been seeing you. So I said, okay, when you come back. When are you coming back? He told me. And when I met him, he said, Baba, you started asking me to run. And I run. Now you are running away, Baba. It's true. After I became the president, I went back to my village.
Why are you running away, Baba?
Because I don't want to be a minister. I don't want to be anything.
But you can advise. Your experience.
Where will I do that? Where will I do it? Will I take the place of his wife in his bedroom? He's already in the presidency. I won't go there to live.
So that you don't look you there?
No, she don't look. I went back home. And when he called me, and I said, okay, I'm sorry. What do I do? He said, anytime you are around, I feel comfortable. Then I said, okay, I'll be coming around. So occasionally I go to Abuja, spend a few days. I may not even see him.
Why?
Because, the president is a very busy thing.
But Chief Akonde should see the president anytime he wants.
If I see him, what will I tell him? Do I read file on education? Do I read file on health? Do I read file on security? What will I tell him?
So what will you write in your next book?
I told you the other time that Nigeria was almost gone. Well, when a country is borrowing money from abroad, it can't get to borrow again. Borrowing from inside, it can't get to borrow again. Started printing money.
So Buhari destroyed Nigeria?
Not Buhari.
Who?
Oh, Nigeria.
No, Chief Akonde.
I won't say Buhari destroyed Nigeria.
Who was borrowing money?
Nigerian government.
Buhari was Nigerian government?
Yes,
APC.
Agreed, yes.
So APC wrecked Nigeria?
Look, that case is in court now. Let the case go down. The only thing was that when the APC came, it was difficult to start. Now they have seen the way and they are starting well. Peace is coming back.
Peace?
Peace is coming back.
Did you say
it's
peace?
Much better now, yes.
There's a new terrorist group in Sokoto.
Oh.
The southeast is on fire.
Can you compare that with what you were having?
Bandits are attacking communities in Katsina.
No, if that is what you compare with what you have 3, 4, 5 years, 8 years, 9, 10 years ago, then you don't measure well. Under APC, peace is coming to Nigeria, and the economy is becoming more stable.
Have you heard people screaming Ibimpami?
Come to my compound here, I will give you plenty of tomato, plenty of things to,
There's hunger in the land.
If you are lazy, if you are in Nigeria.
There's hunger in the land.
If you are lazy in Nigeria, a corn, just a seed of corn, put it on soil. In under 3 months, you have about 1,000 seeds. In Nigeria, except lazy people.
Lazy people?
Yes. In Nigeria.
The dollar, the naira has been devalued.
Oh, the naira is not devalued. The naira remains the naira. Naira chasing other money without productivity will disappear.
So we need to produce.
You have to produce.
Have you told the president that?
Oh, yes, it's not the president to produce. It is those who thought the government should produce and took over production from BP, from Mobil, from Shell, and call it NNPC that destroyed this country. They took production from radio this, radio that, and take things away from everybody and concentrate it in the hands of the government. Those are the people that destroyed this country.
Baba, during your 85th birthday,
yes,
political vagabonds are going to fight with you.
Yes.
Bisi Akonde declares, coming political vagabonds.
Yes.
Who are these coming political vagabonds?
Vagabonds.
Who are they?
Plenty in the street. Those who see power as a means of livelihood. They are snatching power, left, right, and center.
So they are in power already?
No, they are coming.
They are still coming?
Some of them are in it, some are still coming. They become the example of most. I was talking to the governors.
The governor?
Yes.
Please, talk to them, let's hear.
That's what you are reading out, that they shouldn't allow the vagabonds to take over from them.
You said these coming political vagabonds are going to fight you?
Yes.
Today the vagabonds are hiding under your armpits, under your garments.
Yes.
The current political leaders in Nigeria should be careful of these new sets of vagabonds.
Yes.
These new sets of vagabonds.
Yes.
They are old set of vagabonds. Who are the old set?
Please. The vagabonds are in the streets and they are taking over power. In my days, people don't go to government for money at all. You come out, if not possible, poorer than you go in.
But that has changed.
Oh, you go there now to make money.
So the vagabonds have been around.
No, some of them are there. Some are coming.
And more are coming.
Oh, yes.
That is trouble for Nigeria.
Oh, it's trouble for everybody.
So what do we do?
Oh, I warned. I can only warn. I can't stop. I'm not a police. I'm not the security. I'm not anybody. I'm not the active politicians.
You said they vagabonds are the most corrupt.
Yes.
And are becoming more popular in the minds of the people.
Yes.
They have more money and are possibly richer than you.
Oh, yes.
They will fight and possibly take over power if you are not careful. But they don't mean well for the nation.
They don't. Because they have no thinking other than going there to take the money.
But they are already taking the money.
They are already, oh yes.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń wò mí lẹ́yìn àtẹ̀yìntẹ̀ ń wò mí lórí big one àtẹ̀yìntẹ̀ ń wò mí ẹ̀yin àti èmi. Àwa tí a fẹ́ kí Tinubu débẹ̀ kò yẹ yín sìn. Ṣẹ́yìn náà ti wá rí wípé afẹ́fẹ́ ti fẹ́ a ti rí fùrọ̀ adìyẹ. Afẹ́fẹ́ ti ṣe kí ni? Afẹ́fẹ́ ti fẹ́ a ti rí fùrọ̀ adìyẹ. Kódà gan lọ́tọ̀ ti tèmi gan, màá fẹ́ sọ wípé ọ̀rọ̀ yìí díẹ̀ ló fi kan Tinubu. Àwọn tó wà nídìí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí gangan ni eléyìí àwọn tó wà nísàlẹ̀ kòkò tàbí tó wà nísàlẹ̀ kinní kan tí kinní kan ń dùn. Ẹ ti mọ̀ nǹkan tí mo fẹ́ sọ. àwọn ló gbójú jáde yìí. Kò wá sí ìkankan tó dùn mí nínú nǹkan tí bàbá yìí, nínú nǹkan tó sọ. Ṣé ẹ lè guess? Tẹ́ ẹ bá gbọ́ kẹ́tù lọ rewind ẹ̀ padà. Níbi tó ti sọ wípé ọ̀lẹ. Ẹni tó interview ẹ̀ tó tún béèrè lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ wípé ṣó fẹ́ òun náà fẹ́ dàbí Buhari tó sọ wípé àwọn youth lazy. Wípé ẹni tó bá yọ̀lẹ ní Nàìjíríà, òun ni ò ní lówó lọ́wọ́ ẹni tó bá yọ̀lẹ. Ó ní tẹ́ bá fẹ́ kókò, tẹ́ bá fẹ́ àgbàdo, ó wà nínú compound òun. Ṣé gbọ́ ọ̀dájú abiyamọ, ọ̀dájú abiyamọ làwọn eléyìí. Ọ̀dájú abiyamọ ni àwọn eléyìí. Àwọn eléyìí ò gbọ́ nǹkan kan. Mo sọ nínú program mi kan bóyá 2, 3, 4 days ago. Mo ní àwọn people wọ́n ti gé wọn létí lọ. Ṣé gbọ́ nǹkan tí bàbá tó ti ń súnmọ́ ọ̀dọ̀ Olódùmarè, ṣé gbọ́ nǹkan tó sọ? Ṣé rí pé kò sọ̀rọ̀ security? Wípé security, àwa náà ń gbọ́, à ń rí wípé àwọn èèyàn máa dájú o. Àwọn èèyàn máa dájú o. Ṣé bàbá yìí lè bọ́ta? Ṣé mọ̀ pé Buhari ò kúrò, ó fẹ́ kúrò ńbẹ̀? Là ń pariwo ńgbà yẹn wípé the last ìwé tí bàbá yìí release, ṣé mọ̀ wípé kó tó di pé Tinubu kúrò, Buhari kúrò ńbẹ̀, òun ló ń launch ìwé yẹn pẹ̀lú in short, àwọn èèyàn máa níkà o. Ìwọ ní kó ká lọ nínú compound tiẹ̀. Ìwọ ò lọ sóko bí àwọn bàbá yẹn, àwọn ìyá yẹn bó ṣe ń lọ sí oko. Ìwọ àti ìyàwó Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu, àwọn náà dórí oyè dórí oyè. Kò ju 6 months lọ. Wọ́n láwọn ń gbin nǹkan kan. Mi ì mọ̀ ẹni tó bá rí fídíò yẹn. Ẹ bá mi type sínú comment section. Nínú White House, tán láwọn ń gbin bóyá Aso Rock. Tán láwọn ń gbin nǹkan kan, tán fídíò wọn, àwọn ń gbin kinní kan. Ṣé nǹkan tí èèyàn 1,000, 5,000 fẹ́ jẹ, ṣé wọ́n lè gbé sínú compound tí ẹ̀yin sọ yẹn, ẹ̀yin people yìí? Ẹ ṣe yàkànà. Ẹ ṣe ya ìkà, ẹ ṣe ya ọ̀dájú. Ẹ ṣe ya ọ̀dájú bí ìgbà tẹ́ ẹ mọ nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ nínú ìlú. Bí ìgbà táwọn people yìí ò mọ nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ nínú ìlú ni. Ṣé gbọ́ nǹkan tó tún wí? Ó ní ewu ń bẹ lóko ló ń gé fúnra rẹ̀ ewu ni. Àwọn kan wà nísàlẹ̀ gan tó sì ń bá wọn pò ó. Ẹ̀yin people yìí, torí Ọlọ́run, torí ti Ọlọ́run tó láyé tó lọ́run. Pẹ̀lú gbogbo tẹ́ wá sọ wípé Yorùbá. Ṣé Yorùbá fẹ́ gbé bẹ̀ láyé ni tàbí àtúní padà sẹ́sẹ́ àárọ̀? Okay, ẹ ti register ń sìn, ṣé bẹ̀lẹ̀ máa gbé lọ láéláé ni? Ẹ gbọ́ nǹkan tí bàbá yìí sọ. Restructuring. Òun ló tún sọ yẹn wípé kò lè possible, kò lè work. Òun tún wá lo àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ àwọn politicians. Ó fi gé bọ̀bọ́ yẹn nígè. Wípé tí Nàìjíríà ò bá rọgbọ, restructuring ò lè wáyé. Ṣé tí Nàìjíríà bá rọgbọ, ṣán lè sọ̀rọ̀ restructuring? Ẹ máa gbọ́ o. Àwọn people yìí. Ìyẹn lè máa fi mọ̀ wípé 80% àwọn eléyìí. Mo ń sọ fún tàbí kí n tún máa jẹ́ wòlíì ni, tàbí kí n tún fi wòlíì korúkọ mi. Ẹ bá mi type ẹ̀ síbẹ̀, wòlíì. Wòlíì ayé ọpẹ́ yọ. Prophetess, ayé ọpẹ́ yọ. Alágbára, ayé ọpẹ́ yọ. Gbogbo ẹ̀, ayé ọpẹ́ yọ. Kí ni mo fẹ́ sọ nípa ọ̀rọ̀ yìí pé àwọn people yìí, mo sọ ìsínú bóyá bí last week nínú program kan tí mo ṣe ni. Tá bá ń wá lọ sẹ́ àwọn people yìí, Tinubu fúnra rẹ̀ kọ́ ló wà nídìí ọ̀rọ̀ ọmọ Adéyẹmọ. Àwọn eléyìí gangan. Nǹkan tí mo máa ń sọ ni pé mo ní Yorùbá la máa ń rí. Yorùbá sọ fún ẹ wípé tó o bá discipline ọmọ ẹlòmíì ò ní sá fún ẹ. Ẹ bá mi parí òwe yẹn ní bọ́yìn máa ń sọ. A ní téèyàn bá ọmọ ẹ̀ wí, ọmọ ẹlòmíì, ọmọ èrò ta ò ní sá fún. Èrò ta máa sá fún gbà tó lè fi bá ọmọ ẹ̀ wí bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn. Tèrò ta bá lọ bá ó máa bẹ́ orí ẹ̀ nìyẹn. That means ó lè mú àdá kó fi ṣá ọmọ tiẹ̀ kó lè fi dẹ́rù ba èrò ta. Èmi ní 90% wípé àwọn people yìí ló wà nídìí ọ̀rọ̀ ìpọ́n lọ sílé Ìgbòho. Àwọn bàbá yìí gangan, a ní díẹ̀ ní Tinubu mẹ́. Ṣé bàbá yìí lè wá nàka síta wípé ọmọ ẹ̀ láti kìíní títí dé bí orí ìkarùn ṣé kò nípò tó ń jẹ torí òun béèrè ń sìn wípé ṣé òun ṣe agriculture ni, ṣé òun ṣe kinní kan ni, ṣé òun ṣe this ni, ṣé òun ṣe that ni. Èèyàn mélòó ló ti fà á lẹ̀ nígbà tí Tinubu ti wà ńbẹ̀? Ṣé òun lè búra ẹ̀? Kò kàn géènì nǹkankan. Òun kò fẹ́ géènì wípé Yorùbá ní bọ́ nínú oko ẹrú, ẹ̀kan jẹ́ àwà nínú wọn Nàìjíríà. Kí n kàn ṣe tèmi, kí n fa Tinubu sílẹ̀ kó lọ tún ẹsẹ̀ ṣe kó dẹ̀ padà dé kó wá jẹ president. Ayé mà níkà o. Ẹ gbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ burúkú lẹ́nu ẹyẹ, lẹ́nu àgbàlagbà. Tó lóhùn òun lágbàdo òun ní kinní kan lẹ́yìn o. Ṣé lórí abiyamọ, àwọn abiyagba. Màá wá fi fídíò níbi tí àwọn èèyàn ti ń sunkún tó ń kérora wípé ẹ gbà wá. Àwọn people yìí ń gbọ́ wa. Àìní gbọ́ wa mọ́, Ọlọ́run ò ní jẹ́ ó kàn yín. Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ yín dẹ̀rẹ́ tí yín máa di ni. Tẹ́ bá lè gbọ́ wa mọ́ etí yín máa di. Tẹ́ bá tún gbọ́gun etí yín á tún di. Torí ọ̀dájú abiyamọ nìyí. Ẹni bí ìkejì ajá nìyí. Kéèyàn kan jáde wípé ọ̀lẹ pẹ̀lú nǹkan tẹ́po ń sọ, pẹ̀lú nǹkan tẹ́kọ́nọ́mì ń sọ. Nàìjíríà bá wọn lọ dá sọ̀rọ̀ ibi tán ti ń jagun. Ọ̀rọ̀ epo, ọ̀rọ̀ gbogbo everything, gbogbo ẹ̀jú gbogbo ẹ̀ lọ́bẹ̀ bá ṣe tán kẹ́ ṣe tán. Ẹnu wọn ló tún fi ń sọ, ẹ gbọ́, ẹnu ara wọn ló tún fi ń sọ wípé àwọn kan Yorùbá. A dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀yin tí ẹ̀ ń bá wa pariwo lórí ọ̀rọ̀ ṣẹ̀ríà. Ọlọ́run sẹ́, ó ti tó àsìkò tó máa dá ṣẹ̀ríà fún wọn. Torí ẹ̀ ló ṣe wáyé. But lẹ́yìn program eléyìí máa gbé yẹn wá. Àwọn pọ́ìntì kọ̀ọ̀kan wà tó jẹ́ wípé Ọlọ́run ti ń dá ṣẹ̀ríà fún wọn. Ẹ jẹ́ ká gbà bẹ́ẹ̀. Bó a dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ gbogbo àwọn tó ń ṣe, àwọn tó ń sọ sí, àwọn tó ń fún wọn lépè, àwọn tó ń sọ̀rọ̀ aburú lé wọn. Because bá ṣe ń ṣe táwọn èèyàn ṣe ẹ̀ka káàkiri ó ń dé ọ̀dọ̀ àwọn people yìí. Ó ń dé ọ̀dọ̀ àwọn alágbára gangan. Kò tó wá ń ṣe lórí YouTube nìkan, lórí Facebook, lórí Instagram, lórí TikTok. Ọmọ Yorùbá ti dìde pẹ̀lú ìbínú, especially àwọn youths. Àwọn people yẹn dẹ̀ ń gbọ́ ohùn, ó ń gbọ́. Ẹ má jẹ́ n gbà wá ní àkókò. Mi ti ẹ̀ mọ nǹkan tí mo fẹ́ sọ. Ẹ jẹ́ kí n sáré gbé short video yìí wá ká tó máa mẹ́tò wálé. Ẹ jẹ́ n sáré gbé short video yìí wá.
Ìlú Ògúnmákin la wà yìí ní ọjà Ìbàdàn níbi tí wọ́n ti wá ké sí wa pé ká jọ̀ọ́ lọ́wọ́ ogun Fúlàní tí wọ́n ń da àwọn láàmú nínú ìlú yìí. Wọ́n ní báwọn bá ti dá oko tán kò sí boko náà ṣe rí ó tó bí wọ́n bá ti kó màálù wọbẹ̀ wọ́n jẹ tán ni. Báwọn bá lọ bó lórí wọn pé ẹ dákun wọ́n máa jẹ́ kíní wà wọ́n ní káwọn wá gbowó nígbà táwọn bá dọ́dọ̀ wọn owó tí wọ́n fáwọn bíi kí màálù jẹ nǹkan bíi 500,000 kí wọ́n máa fáwọn bíi 20,000 ìdí rèé tí wọ́n fi wá pè wá pé káwá bá wọn jẹ́ kíjọba ọmọ nǹkan tí ń ṣẹlẹ̀ àwọn tí wọ́n jẹ́ ọmọ onílùú àwọn tí wọ́n jẹ nǹkan wọn àwọn la wà pẹ̀lú wa ẹ̀ ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ wọn la rí kalẹ̀ ni wọ́n dúró yìí àwọn la wà pẹ̀lú wọn yìí ó kálukú wọn náà ni ó sọ̀rọ̀ ẹni tó jó lórí wọn ẹ já béèrè ọ̀rọ̀ lọ́wọ́ wọn bàbá ọ̀rọ̀ rèé tẹ́ ẹ fi pè wá káwá bá yín ké sí ìjọba orílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà bó lọ̀rọ̀ yẹn ṣe ń ṣẹlẹ̀ gan bó ló ṣe jẹ́ ẹ ṣàlàyé fún wa.
ẹ ṣe sà gbogbo ọmọ Nàìjíríà bàbá wa Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu bàbá wa Ìgbòho bàbá wa gómìnà ìpínlẹ̀ Ọ̀yọ́ Ṣèyí Mákindé ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ ràn wá lọ́wọ́ lórí àwọn ti Fúlàní nínú oko Gàmbàrí rìsáàfù àwọn Fúlàní ti ṣe wá lọ́ṣẹ́ ó pọ̀ jù èmi gangan tí mo ń sọ̀rọ̀ lọ́wọ́ yìí oko 3 ni mo dá lọ́dún yìí àwọn Fúlàní yìí jẹ gbogbo ẹ̀ tán pátápátá ni a lọ mú àwọn olórí wọn pé kán wá fún wa ní owó tí wọ́n lè fi ṣe pé wọ́n bà oko wa jẹ́ owó tá a tẹ̀ náà síbẹ̀ pé àfihàn kẹ́míkà pé àtẹ̀rí hẹ́pù kan bẹ̀rẹ̀ so wọ́n sọ fún wa pé gbogbo ibi tá a bá ti nágbára pé ká máa nìṣó níbẹ̀ pé ẹni tá a bá ní lẹ́yìn tó bá lè gbà wá nínú wàhálà yìí pé ká lọ pè wọ́n ìrírí tá a fi ké sí ẹ̀yin olórí ti Nàìjíríà pé kẹ́ ẹ̀ dìde kẹ́ ẹ̀ gbà wá gẹ́gẹ́ bí ẹ ṣe fún wa ní ìgangan lọ́jọ́ kìíní àná tẹ́ fi ràn àwọn ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ tí wọ́n fi bọ́ nínú wàhálà eléyìí náà ló jẹ́ káwa náà ké sí yín pé kẹ́ ẹ̀ dìde ìrànlọ́wọ́ fún wa kódà wọ́n ṣe débi pé wọ́n ti kó bọ̀wọ̀ nù rìsáàfù ànẹ́lu mọ́ báyìí nísìnyí tá a bá fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ wọ́n ń yọ̀bọ sí wa ni wọ́n ń ṣá wa ládàbí wọn báyìí nísìnyí ni.
ẹ dákọ̀lú yín
ìlú bí tá a wà Ògúnmákè ó jẹ́ Ìbàdàn Gàmbàrí rìsáàfù lólúyọ̀lé local government ibẹ̀ la wà tá a ti ń sọ̀rọ̀ yìí ẹ dákun ẹ ràn wá lọ́wọ́ o gbogbo ẹ̀yin ìjọba akéésí yín ẹ ràn wá lọ́wọ́ o agbára wa ò pé o bàbá wa Chief Gani Adams àpẹ ẹ̀yin náà ẹ dìde ìrànlọ́wọ́ fún wa báyìí o agbára wa ò gbé ẹ̀yin náà lẹ́ni ká padà sóko pé ká ṣiṣẹ́ ọ̀rọ̀ ajé wa gbogbo tá à ń ṣe lọ́rọ̀ ajé nínú oko àwọn Fúlàní ti parí ẹ̀ tán kódà ojoojúmọ́ báyìí náà ń kéran wọlé wọ́n dẹ̀ sọ pé lágbára àdé èèyàn ìdí rèé tàbí ké sí gbogbo Nàìjíríà láti ràn wá lọ́wọ́.
nígbà tọ́rọ̀ yìí ṣẹlẹ̀ ẹ lọ fi ọ̀rọ̀ náà tó àwọn agbófinró ẹ lọ fi tó wọn létí ni.
ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ wọn kódà adé ọ̀dọ̀ àwọn ìdí àyànrẹ́ police station ìdí àyànrẹ́ adébẹ̀ afẹjọ́ wọn àfisùn wọn ṣùgbọ́n àwọn tó wà níbẹ̀ yẹn àtàwọn Fúlàní yẹn wọ́n jọ wà ní tá a bá ti gbé ẹjọ́ débẹ̀ wọ́n dẹjọ́ ti wà nù ẹ̀yìn àwọn Fúlàní yẹn náà máa wà kò sí nǹkan tá a fẹ́ sọ wọ́n sọ pé tá a bá ti gba tí àwọn Fúlàní yẹn wí àwọn àlọ́rọ̀ kankan kò sí nǹkan tá a fẹ́ ṣe pẹ̀lú ẹ̀.
kílẹ̀ wá fẹ́ kíjọba ṣe fún yín báyìí.
a fẹ́ kí ìjọba dìde ìrànlọ́wọ́ fún wa báyìí.
kò tí nǹkan kan tó tá a fẹ́ fi ṣe tá a fẹ́ fi kún kí ni yìí ò dá kò dá ló ń jẹ́ kò tí nǹkan tá a fẹ́ fi kún. kò yẹ yín ẹ̀yin wọn Nàìjíríà how market wọ́n lọlẹ̀ nìyí ọ̀bí wọ́n lọlẹ̀ nìyí wọ́n lẹ̀ lè dáko ni gbogbo ìta ṣóun sí tán ló ń pa wọ́n ló jẹ́ káwọn lọ pé irọ́ lè pa wọ́n lẹ̀ lọ oko ni ẹ̀ lọ tóko àwọn bàbá gangan náà wà nídìí boko àwọn bàbá gangan ní boko torí tí àwọn bàbá yẹn ò bá jẹ́ Boko Haram fúnra wọn àwọn ò ní máa sọ wípé ẹ̀yin yóò tán lọ́lẹ̀ ní ọlẹ́ lè dáko ni kí lè ló fẹ́ sọ fáwọn bàbá yìí àìmọye àwọn ọmọ ọlọ́mọ tán parí skul tán ríṣẹ́ yìí tán ní káwọn lọ máa dáko tán pa wọ́n bí ẹni pa tán pa wọ́n sọnù ẹ̀yin wá lè jáde ìgbà tó jẹ́ pé tara mi ni mo rò débẹ̀ o tara yín nìkan lẹ̀ ń rò ẹ̀ mú nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ fá Ọlọ́run mà tóbi lọ́ba ó máa kú ìrọ́jú o tàbí táwa la máa fẹ́ pa kú ìrọ́jú mi ti ẹ̀mọ́ ìtì máa sọ mi torí Ọlọ́run ìyá mi bá mi ẹ̀gbọ́n mi àtàbúrò mi bó bá ṣe rí lọ́dọ̀ títí yín ẹ bá mi fílẹ̀ nínú comment section ibi tẹ́yìn dìbò sí tẹ́fẹ́ kí bò yín lọ ní 2027 ojú rẹ ìran rè tèmi lèmi sọ yìí Yorùbá nation òun lèmi fà kalẹ̀ as a candidate tèmi 2027 kò jẹ́ bóyá jẹ́ mo kí wa lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí o ṣe rí àwọn bàbá àwọn bàbá nìyẹn àwọn náà wà ní ìsàlẹ̀ gbogbo bọ́rọ̀ Yorùbá nation bóyá rí báyìí ṣe mọ̀ pé àwọn náà tẹ̀lé bàbá Akíntóyè àwọn náà ya kúrò lára bàbá Akíntóyè bọ̀rọ̀ tí bàbá yìí sọ ń sìn gbogbo nǹkan tó narrate kalẹ̀ yìí ẹ máa rí wípé díẹ̀ ẹ gbọ́ nǹkan tó sọ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ tó gèètì ẹ gbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ burúkú tó sọ nípa ọ̀rọ̀ EndSARS ṣe ẹ gbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ burúkú ó láwọn ará Amẹ́ríkà ó láwọn náà wà ní ti ọ̀rá. Oh my God ó ní àwọn ará Amẹ́ríkà ó láwọn ló wà nídìí EndSARS ọ ní ìdí àti gbé yín lọ síbi tán gbé Dúpẹ́ Onítìrí lọ torí ẹ̀yin lẹ ránṣẹ́ ó níbi tóun náà wà ní ẹ̀yin gan ní ìdí àti bíbí tẹ́ bá ti lọ ń físìtì ẹ̀yin gan wọn gba àwọn tábìlẹ̀tì tóun bá ń lò ẹ̀yin náà ní ìdí bìkọ́ ẹ gbọ́rọ̀ burúkú lẹ́nu ẹyẹ àwọn òbí ẹ gbọ́ nǹkan tí ẹ tún rí wá ìdẹ́kẹ́ tún padà tún gbọ́ mo kí wa lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí pa kókó jẹ́ ọjọ́ ṣeré ẹ̀yin bàbá ẹ̀gbọ́n àti àbúrò bó bá ṣe rí ọ̀dọ̀ tí ẹ má gbàgbé láti fílẹ̀ nínú comment section tó bá jẹ́ gbà àkọ́kọ́ lélẹ̀ tẹ́yìn ṣe máa darapọ̀ mọ́ wa lórí ìkànnì aláyọ̀ yìí orúkọ tèmi ò tí ì padà Ayọ̀pẹ̀yọ̀ Dr. Zabby talk show tá ti máa mú oríṣiríṣi wá lọ́lọ́kan ìjọkan ṣẹ́rí ìtawọ́kọ́ gbé wá yẹn.
This is good news to all. But first of all, write this number down. 1-845-293-8937. You will get through to Define Travels and Tours. They help you process and obtain USA work permit visa, tourism and visiting visa, vacation and cruises. Wow! The USA work permit visa allows you to legitimately work anywhere in USA once you arrive. Interesting. Call Divine Travels and Tours, New York, USA on 1-845-293-8937 or send email to divinetravelstours5@gmail.com. Divine Travels and Tours is tested, trusted, and reliable.
Kindly subscribe to YouTube channel and follow on Facebook page at Dr. Zabby's Talk Show.